If you need to reset your password for your CoreFirst Bank and Trust account, follow these simple steps to regain access. This guide will help you through the process easily. Step 1. Visit the CoreFirst Bank and Trust website. Go to the official CoreFirst Bank and Trust website using your preferred web browser. Look for the login section on the homepage. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. In the login section, find and click on the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the password reset page. Step 3. Enter your information. On the password reset page, enter the required information such as your username or email address associated with your account. Make sure the information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 4. Check your email. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Escrow to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in the databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Follow the reset instructions. Click on the link provided in the email and follow the instructions to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log into your CoreFirst Bank and Trust account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.